Tired of guessing how much time you really spend gaming? Alright gamers, let's dive straight into how to precisely check your playtime data on Taptap and level up your gaming insights. First things first, open the Taptap app on your device. Once you're in, locate your profile. It's usually represented by an icon of a person or your profile picture, and it's generally located at the bottom or the top bar of the screen. Now, navigate to your profile page. Within your profile, you will find a section dedicated to your activities. This is usually within a section of statistics, my games or play history. Look for the playtime metrics here. Taptap intelligently organizes all the playtime data for your tracked games. You should see stats displayed, detailing how much time you've spent playing your favorite games. Explore the various display options. You might see filters for different time periods to help you optimize your use. Use the date or time filters to view daily playtime, weekly plays, or even all-time play stats. This gives you a complete overview of your gaming habits. Zoom in and analyze how you spend your time. Understand your peaks and low activity times to see how the time is distributed with the help of graphs or other visual representations. Knowing your playtime puts you in control of your gaming experience. Use this data to set goals, manage your time, and most importantly, game smarter. Now go forth and dominate the game.